It's a 2010 Kubota BX 2660. Extra power. Not real sure what the extra power part is about. Four-wheel drive. It's got 142 hours on it. So this thing is like new. It's always been in the barn. It's in excellent condition. The tiller does not go with it that I have listed for sale separately. All you're getting is the tractor. This is the only thing I could find. One light is loose on it. It's got the complete setup for the bucket. Put a loader on it. Super nice, and it's like new. And 25.5 horsepower. It's the Kubota 3-cylinder 1-liter diesel. Give me a call, please.